Can we get an update with regard to the whereabouts of Zaldico as well as Porac Mayor? Sorry, yes, Porac Mayor Jaime Capil.
Zaldico is believed to be in Europe, suspected to be in Portugal. He is suspected to have a Portuguese passport acquired so many years ago. Ayun lang ang details. Nakikiusap kami sa lahat ng mga Pilipino sa buong mundo na kung makita nila si Zaldico, kung pwede nilang picturean, padala kagad, i-post kagad sa internet para may idea tayo kung nasaan siya. Sa ngayon, ang hinala namin ay nasa Portugal siya at doon po siya naninirahan. Pagdating kay Porac Mayor, he is in the Philippines as of immigration records and dito pa rin siya. There is a warrant of arrest out for him and he has sent surrender feelers to the PNP. We will know within this week kung mag-surrender siya. Kung hindi, umpisa na namin yung intensive manhunt para sa kanya.
Sir, yung kay Zaldico in Portugal, can we confirm if he has a golden visa? And how does the DILG intend to repatriate him to the Philippines considering that we have no extradition treaty with Portugal?
That is something the DFA will have to answer, not the DILG. Interior kami, so it's only within the Philippines. So pagdating sa ganyang bagay, the DFA is the best person to answer.
Okay po. Next question, Eden Santos, Net25.
Secretary, good afternoon po. Sa part po ng pagtugis kay former Congressman Zaldico, wala po ba tayong group effort?
Pagtugis?
Pag-aresto sa kanya dahil meron naman pong warrant of arrest.
Ang tugis
Wala po
in
ba
English is
tayong-
hunting ba yun? Ang tugis po. Hunting yan, no? Sige.
Opo. Wala po ba tayong group effort para mas mapabilis yung pagdakip po sa kanya?
Talagang ginamit mo yung group effort, ha? Meron naman. It is a whole of government approach to get Zaldico. The DFA, the DILG, the Ombudsman, the DOJ are all working together in order to get a satisfying outcome into the repatriation of Zaldico back to the Philippines. To what those measures are, I cannot speak of yet. But I think when it comes to repatriation, DFA should be the lead. Sila dapat na magsabi kung anong gagawin.
So wala pa po yung pag-cancel ng kanyang passport?
Meron na. Pagkaalam ko, na-cancel na yung passport niya. Pagkaalam ko lang, ha? But you can check again. Pero, again, we believe he's holder of 2 passports, eh. Not only a visa, but 2 passports. So, doon yung may complication tayo na konti.